When it comes to workout audio, not all gear is created equal. Today, we're diving into the best earbuds and headphones designed to enhance your exercise experience. First up, the Powerbeats Pro 2. After 6 years, Beats has delivered a significant upgrade. With a refined design, improved ergonomics, new drivers, and the powerful Apple H2 chip, these earhook-style earbuds are a game changer. They also feature a built-in heart rate sensor and, for the first time, active noise cancellation, making them the top choice for those wanting superior sound and noise blocking during workouts. For those who prefer open ear designs, the Shox OpenFit 2 offers upgraded drivers, better battery life, and a new physical control button. They're comfortable, sound excellent in quieter environments, and allow you to stay aware of your surroundings. If budget is a concern, the Edifier Lolly Clip buds are a strong contender. They offer sound quality close to the premium Bose Ultra Open earbuds, but at a more accessible price. Plus, they include features like active noise cancellation, a heart rate monitor, and blood oxygen sensor, setting them apart from the competition. While their touch controls can be finicky, their overall performance is impressive. Apple users will appreciate the AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C offering excellent sound, noise cancellation, and voice calling performance. They're a premium option, but frequently available at sale prices. For something a bit different, consider the Sony LinkBuds Fit. These lightweight earbuds fit comfortably and securely with very good sound quality, noise cancelling, and call quality. Their air-fitting supporters and wide range of ear tip sizes ensure a secure fit, making them a great choice for various workout intensities. Hanker's Soundcore AeroFit 2 provides a budget-friendly option with a sleek design and improved sound quality. These open-ear earbuds are comfortable and offer good all-around performance with enhanced bass. For those seeking value with high performance, the Earfun Air Pro 4 delivers. With aptX lossless audio, LDAC support, and improved noise cancelling, these earbuds offer strong sound quality and features at a modest price. Their lightweight design and long battery life make them ideal for extended workouts. For the toughest workouts, the Jabra Elite 8 Active Gen 2 are billed as the world's toughest earbuds. They offer enhanced spatial sound, improved noise cancelling, and an LE Audio smart case for wireless streaming. If you prefer bone conduction technology, the Shox Open Run Pro 2 finally deliver on sound quality. With a dual driver design, they address the bass deficiency common in bone conduction headphones, making them a top choice for runners and bikers. Lastly, for those who prefer over-ear headphones, the Blue and Pump X are a solid gym option. They're sturdy, comfortable, and offer physical controls with USB-C audio support. With IP54 splash-proof and sweat-proof ratings, they're built to withstand your toughest workouts. Whether you need sweat-resistant earbuds, open-ear designs, or rugged headphones, there's a perfect workout audio solution for you. Choose based on your needs and preferences and elevate your fitness routine with the right audio gear.